Welcome to Built by Machines, where precision meets passion. Watch the unseen beauty behind the things we consume every day. Subscribe now for the most fascinating journeys of modern manufacturing. Pasta, the soul of Italian cuisine, is born through a surprisingly rhythmic process. It all starts with fine durum wheat semolina, loaded into industrial silos. From there, it's gravity-fed into colossal spiral mixers. Liquid egg and water are added by precise dispensers, ensuring the same golden ratio every time. Once mixed, the dough rests to build elasticity. Then it moves through compression rollers, flattened evenly to micrometer precision. Depending on the pasta type, the sheet is either cut by high-speed blades into tagliatelle or dropped onto molds to form ravioli filled with cheese or meat using dual nozzle injectors. As the pasta shapes form, each one is separated and gently transported by air jets to avoid sticking. It's a flawless ballet of flour, pressure, and control. The story of chocolate starts with humble cocoa beans, carefully sorted by color, size, and weight using optical sensors and air puffs to eliminate defects. Infrared sensors detect quality. Roasting brings out the rich flavor. Once roasted, the beans are cracked and the husks removed in a winnower, leaving behind pure nibs. These nibs are ground in stone mills into a thick, aromatic paste called chocolate liquor. Tempering is key. It aligns cocoa butter crystals for that snap and shine. Machines heat and cool the chocolate in cycles until it reaches the perfect structure. Then it's poured into bar molds, vibrated to remove air bubbles, and passed through chilled tunnels to harden. Finally, wrapping machines encase the bars in foil at lightning speed, each one ready to melt in your mouth. A single chip starts with a whole potato. After arriving from farms, the potatoes are scrubbed clean by high-pressure water jets and rotating brushes. Then they're peeled using abrasion rollers that remove the skin without wasting flesh. They're sliced by high-speed centrifugal blades, spinning so fast they make over 2,000 cuts per minute. Slices are rinsed to remove excess starch, which ensures crispness. Afterward, they're flash-fried in continuously circulating hot oil to lock in crunch. Flavorings are added inside tumblers using electrostatic coating, so every chip is seasoned evenly. Before packing, computer vision scans sort out irregular shapes, ensuring only perfect chips make the cut. Quality control cameras scan for burnt or broken chips. Ice cream, cool, creamy, and crafted with care. The process begins with whole milk, heavy cream, and sugar, all blended and pasteurized to eliminate bacteria, tanks slowly churning. Next, the mix is homogenized, breaking fat into microscopic droplets for a silky texture. Then comes rapid chilling, where machines reduce the temperature below freezing in seconds, locking in the air for a light, smooth scoop. From here, cones are filled with the perfect swirl using rotary fillers. Toppings are added by robotic arms with surgical accuracy. Every sprinkle, swirl, and scoop follows a strict aesthetic rhythm. Behind every rustic loaf is a blend of tradition and tech. Flour, water, salt, and yeast combine in spiral mixers, kneading the dough until gluten forms. Automated dividers portion the dough into exact sizes. Robotic arms gently shape the loaves, baguettes, boulets, batards, then send them into humid proofers where yeast works its magic. Baked in stone deck ovens at over 450 degrees Fahrenheit, the loaves develop a golden, blistered crust. Once cooled, they're scored and packaged with minimal human touch. Sanitary, consistent, and delicious. Precision is everything in sushi. Automated sushi machines lay nori sheets on trays. Then, sticky rice is spread evenly using silicone-coated rollers, which mimic the pressure of a sushi chef's fingers. Fillings are dropped precisely by motorized nozzles. The rolls are then formed in compression molds that give just the right tightness, firm enough to hold, soft enough to bite. Finally, ultra-sharp blades, self-cleaning and heat-regulated, slice the rolls into perfect pieces. Every cut is exact, every slice, a satisfying reward for your eyes. From crunchy chips to silky ice cream, from delicate pasta to handcrafted sushi, these machines don't just build food, they turn everyday meals into mesmerizing masterpieces. If you enjoyed this journey through satisfying food manufacturing, give us a like, share it with a fellow foodie, and subscribe for more. This is Built by Machines, where the everyday becomes extraordinary.